Hello and welcome to Be Made in Revit tutorials. In this tutorial I would like to show you how to create diagrams with colorful presentation of functions, building functions, and how to add colors to schedule with areas and quantities of your conceptual design. As you know, the most important thing for our clients, one of the most important thing for our clients is the quantities or areas they are going to sell. All right, here you can see the diagrams on the left side, and on the right side you have schedules with colors and quantities of the building that are going to be built. All right, here just to show you, I made some adjustments to the generic model that I modeled in place for every building you can see here that can see. And to show you how I did that, I will delete this generic model here. This is business center, building for business center, and I create this model only for purpose of this tutorial. All right, now we will model this building using model in place, using generic models. All right, I will go back and I will do it again. I need to add the name for this model. It will be business center. All right, business center. Okay, now we can start with modeling using extrusion. I will select this shape here and click OK. I will align it with the height of this building, and now I need to model these extra parts of the building. All right, here don't have to be aligned 100% because I'm going to use join tool. All right, I will align it, and using join tool I will join these two forms. Now in visibility graphics I will deselect fine, so when we turn on the fine visibility settings, this generic model that I've modeled won't be visible when we want to show only buildings. Okay, and I added the material parameter for this building. Here I have already created material parameter, but I will delete it and show you how to create this kind of parameters for ones that are watching this tutorial first time, and for ones that don't have a lot of experience in Revit. All right, for all new ones I add the colors from surface and for cut part of this model. So if we use the sections or 3D section presentations, the colors will be visible in cut parts. This is how it looks. Here we have business center, hotel, uh, shopping center, and underground auto park. Okay, now I will select the floors. I will isolate them by category. Okay, I will select this here. But here I don't have the I add a mark for this part here, but I figure out the one part of this floors is missing. Now I will model it. I will select the floor plan from 3D. Okay. Now I will model it. Oh, sorry, here we cannot do the adjustments of this kind of modeled floor plan, so I will delete this one. I will duplicate the floor in the same place, and now I will delete this form, and I will create only the parts that are missing, and by using the join tool I will join it with the other parts of this level. Okay, it don't have to be 100% aligned because I'm going to use join tool. All right, now I will duplicate it on other levels. Align selection by levels. I will select the levels where this part is missing, and that's it. Now I'm going to use join tool. I will join them. Actually, I could create it and join it on one level and copy it to other levels, but for this tutorial I will do it in this way. Just for you to know, you can model it on one level, or all two parts, and join them, and then you can copy them on other levels. It is faster and easier also. Now I'll select them, and I will add the mark. It will be business center. This I'm going to use on schedule. Using filter, I will calculate the area for this building. Something like this. It is going to look something like this. Just to show you, I will create new schedule. It will be function business center. Now we need to select the floors. Floors. There it is. Floors. Okay, we have it with same name. We will add the test. It will be function business center test. Now we will add the parameters, area, mark, and levels. Okay, I will adjust the order of these parameters. We will use filter, mark, and business center. Sort by mark. We'll turn on the ground totals. We'll select titles only. We'll go on formatting, calculate totals for area, and I will press OK. Alright. We will turn on the title and totals here. Okay. We will change the font size. I think it's 4.5, but I will check it. It is 4.5, okay. Alright. Now we will change it to 4.5. And we will add the color for the title. Alright. What's left? I will add sort by level. Alright, and I need to add deselect the every instance. Okay, and now that's it. Our schedule for function of business center is ready. Now I will show you how to add to do this displays presentation. We will click on the model and using displays tool we will displace it. With selecting the path you can in a very easy way create this kind of 3D presentation. How to place the schedule on the sheet by clicking on it, and you need to drag it to a sheet. The same is with the 3D presentation. Now I will show you. Alright, go function presentation, drag it and put it on the sheet. It's very easy and it's very simple diagram presentation of conceptual level of project. That's all, dear friends. I hope this will be helpful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and to share my tutorials and works with your friend at colleagues. See you in the next tutorial.